Cool? All right, so this is Dr. Cruz, and today we're going to be draining an abscess of the left foot. This patient is a diabetic patient with also vascular disease, and unfortunately, he had a hallux amputation. So when we amputated the toe, he did proceed to walk on it a little too much, got infected, and now we are draining the abscess that's inside the foot. As you can see, it's very swollen, and that hurts a lot. So here comes the pus. He's moving a little bit. But all this has to come out because otherwise the antibiotic is not going to work very well. If you wouldn't mind holding that there. He's flinching a little bit. Oh, the Raytech. Just so, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. We'll clean him up afterwards.